crores for 5,127 hectares. This could not harvest due to the prevailing situation. As per the study made by the Agriculture Department, altogether 5,901 affected farmers were found. Out of these, 3,483 farmers has been identified and found correct along with their bank accounts data for the first phase. And out of these 5,901, 19 farmers have been cancelled due to duplication, and 2,399 found irregularities in submitting their documents. Now these 2,399 has been sent back for verification to the DC concern, and the farmers, those involved, those applied are requested to re-verify to submit the details, correct report to the DC concern so that they can avail the benefit. Today we are releasing an amount of 18 crore 37 lakhs altogether. Out of 38.6 crore sanctioned by the central government. Within these, Imphal West are getting 199 farmers and 120 lakhs, and Imphal East is getting 360 farmers and 232 lakhs, and Bishnupur is getting 1,031 farmers, 955 lakhs, and Thobal is getting 25 numbers, is getting 13.36 lakhs, and Jiribam also getting 51 farmers. Total amount is 36.28 lakhs, and Sangel is getting 142 farmers. The amount is 32.95, and Kambupi is getting 272 farmers and 72.73 lakhs. And Chochampuri is getting 1,137. Chochampuri is the highest number. And fund is releasing 300 to means 3.02 crore 0.53. And the Tenopal also getting 35 farmers. They are getting 10.37 lakhs. And the Kaksing is getting 231 farmers. Amount is 159 lakh 0.79 lakhs. Altogether 18 crore and 37 lakhs 0.12. So I wish all the farmers who have suffered the last 10 months will enjoy it, will have something for their daily life. Thank you. Jai Hind.